Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset and recalibrate the GE washing machine in 2026. So first of all, simply turn off the washer and unplug it from the outlet. Afterwards, simply wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes in order to clear any stored memory. After this time duration, simply plug it back in and turn the power on. This particular step alone is going to reset the main control board and it will also clear the temporary faults. Now for many GE top load models, you just have to open and close this particular lid 6 times, that too within 12 seconds. And make sure that each close is firm. This is going to reinitializes the motor control system and it will also clear the certain error codes. Now you can also turn the control knob one click at a time until the LED light up or the washer enters into the diagnostic mode. So after doing so, simply select the spin or the drain and the spin mode and you can start the cycle empty. This allows the washers to relearn the balance, speed and motor response. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.